How to use the SME data service. Open the MerryBills application. On the app menu, click on SME Data. Enter the phone number you want to subscribe. Once the phone number has been entered, it will automatically indicate the network type. In some cases, service error may cause failure while identifying the network type. If it fails to indicate the network type automatically, kindly click on Network and manually select the network type of the phone number you entered. Now, click on Data Size. You will see list of data sizes available for your network and its duration. Select the size of data you need. The amount and the cashback you will get will be displayed below once you select the size of data. Move down and enter your 4-digit transactional PIN. And click on Purchase.